Welcome to Vietnam Step by Step, your companion on every journey to discover the breathtaking landscapes, vibrant culture, and untold stories across Vietnam. Here, every step we take together is a step deeper into the heart of this beautiful land. Today, we invite you to join us on an unforgettable adventure through one of Vietnam's most enchanting destinations, Ninh Binh, Trang An, Tam Coc Bich Dong. Get ready to uncover nature's masterpieces, ancient mysteries, and the spirit of local life that make this region truly unique. Nestled in the Red River Delta, just about 100 kilometers south of Hanoi, Ninh Binh stands as a gateway to a world where limestone mountains rise magically from golden rice paddies and emerald rivers weave through hidden caves and ancient temples. The region is often hailed as Halong Bay on land, yet its charm lies not just in its stunning scenery, but also in its rich tapestry of history and culture. Our journey begins in Trang An, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its outstanding geological and cultural values. Over millions of years, the forces of nature have sculpted this landscape into a wonder of towering karst peaks, interconnected valleys, and mysterious caves. Scientists explain that the karst formations here date back to the late Paleozoic era, shaped by the slow erosion of limestone by rain and underground rivers. This has created a labyrinth of caves and tunnels, some submerged, some open to the sky, all whispering secrets of the Earth's ancient past. As we glide gently along the Sao Kê River in a traditional sampan, the world seems to slow down. The water, clear and serene, mirrors the dramatic cliffs above. Along the banks, lush vegetation thrives, home to an astonishing diversity of flora and fauna. The Trang An ecosystem supports rare species such as Delacour's langur, a critically endangered primate, as well as countless bird species and endemic plants. This delicate balance between water and stone, forest and field, creates a sanctuary where nature flourishes in harmony. Drifting into the heart of the karst, we enter the caves, each with its own name, legend, and character. The most famous, such as Sang Cave, Toy Cave, and Nao Ruu Cave, reveal a magical world of stalactites and stalagmites shaped drop by drop over millennia. Archaeologists have discovered evidence of prehistoric humans here, including tools and pottery, suggesting that Trang An has been a cradle of civilization for thousands of years. The caves not only shelter natural wonders, but also keep the memory of ancient communities alive. Emerging from the darkness, sunlight bathes the valley in a golden glow. Here, history and spirituality intermingle. The region is dotted with temples and pagodas, reflecting centuries of devotion and cultural heritage. The Tran Temple, perched quietly at the foot of the mountains, was built to honor kings of the Tran dynasty who defended the nation against invaders. The Ba Giat Cave, meanwhile, is steeped in legend and believed to bring good luck to those who visit. Continuing our adventure, we arrive at Tam Coc, meaning three caves, another jewel in Ninh Binh's crown. The Ngo Dong River winds gracefully through rice fields, and beneath the mouths of three spectacular caves, Hang Ka, Hang Hai, and Hang Ba. The best time to visit is during the rice harvest season, when the paddies turn vibrant shades of yellow and green, transforming the landscape into a living painting. Tam Coc is more than a feast for the eyes. It's an invitation to experience local life up close. Rowboats are skillfully maneuvered by villagers, often using their feet to paddle, a unique technique passed down through generations. As you float along, you'll glimpse farmers tending to their crops, water buffalo grazing in the fields, and the peaceful rhythm of rural Vietnam unfolding before you. A short ride away, Bich Dong awaits, a complex of ancient pagodas nestled into the mountainside. Built in the 15th century, Bich Dong Pagoda is a masterpiece of harmony between architecture and nature. The complex consists of three pagodas, Ha, Trung, and Thuong, connected by stone steps that wind through caves and forests. At the summit, a panoramic view opens up, revealing the patchwork of rivers, rice paddies, and karst peaks stretching into the distance. Here, time seems to stand still, and the whispers of monks and pilgrims echo through the halls. Beyond the teatral and cultural wonders, Ninh Binh offers a wealth of activities for every traveler. Adventurers can hike through lush forests in Cuc Phuong National Park, Vietnam's oldest nature reserve, or climb the 500 stone steps to the summit of Hang Mua for a breathtaking vista. Cyclists can explore quiet country roads, passing through sleepy villages and vibrant markets. For those seeking tranquility, simply find a spot by the river and watch the world drift by. No journey to Ninh Binh is complete without indulging in its local cuisine. The region is famous for dishes such as goat meat, served grilled, steamed, or in a flavorful hot pot, and com che, crispy rice that pairs perfectly with savory dishes. Don't miss the chance to sample com che de nui, a signature dish that captures the essence of the land. At every meal, you'll find the warmth and hospitality of the locals, eager to share their stories and traditions. As the sun sets behind the limestone peaks, casting a golden hue across the landscape, Ninh Binh reveals its true magic. A place where nature's beauty, human history, and the spirit of adventure come together in perfect harmony. Whether you seek stunning vistas, peaceful moments, or a deeper connection with Vietnam's past and present, Ninh Binh, Trang An, Tam Coc Bich Dong offers an experience that will linger in your heart long after the journey ends. Thank you for joining us on this exploration with Vietnam Step by Step. If you found inspiration in these stories and landscapes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support is the driving force behind every new adventure. Stay tuned as we continue to discover the wonders of Vietnam, one step at a time.